You're watching Let's Chat.
We now get to spend a few moments with one of the guys who was a finalist in our recent Viewer's Choice Award for the year 2022. He is the driving force behind the Keyt law firm. It is Stephen Keyt. Stephen, good to see you, sir.
Good to see you, Chip. Thank you for having us.
Yes, sir. Tell me a little bit about the Keyt law firm.
Chip, we started the Keyt law firm, my son and I, back in May of 2019. We had both been with a larger firm here in Chattanooga and wanted the flexibility that having our own firm affords us to provide services to the people of Chattanooga.
Got to be pretty neat practicing law with your son.
Oh, it's great, Chip. It's just great. We've had such fun, and it's just a real pleasure.
Tell me a little bit about the areas of specialty that the Keyt law firm practices.
Chip, when we opened our firm, we wanted to be able to provide services for folks that have been injured by the negligence of other people, called personal injury actions. And we wanted to do domestic relations work. And so that's what we've tried to focus on since we started the firm.
And how have things gone, rather, since you started the firm 3 years ago?
We have been overwhelmed by the folks of Chattanooga. Their confidence in us is humbling, and we're most grateful. But we've been able to provide services that we wanted to for the people in Hamilton County and some surrounding counties.
Tell me what folks need to look for when choosing a law firm. I would imagine whatever kind of claim you have or whatever kind of case you have would dictate that. But by and large, what do you look for when choosing a law firm?
Chip, that's a good question. And I'll tell you, there are so many good firms in Chattanooga that provide services of both kinds, personal injury litigation, domestic litigation, you know, it's hard to say, but you look for a firm for attorneys that are experienced in that area, attorneys that you know what they're doing around those types of claims and those types of cases. What we think that we have to offer the folks of Chattanooga is both the experience that I just mentioned, but we're a small firm, and we're keeping it that way on purpose. So we give individual attention to our clients.
It's very frustrating when you're trying to get in touch with an attorney and you hear all sorts of different phone clicks, and then your phone gets answered 6 states away, and it seemingly takes 6 days for an attorney to call you back. You don't have that.
We don't have that, Chip. We answer the phones. We get back to people if we happen to miss a call because we're doing something else, and we make sure that nobody waits on a call from us.
One of the things, and I was doing a little digging around about you and the Keyt law firm, one of the fairly constant feedbacks I got was neither one of the Keyts are afraid to tangle with the other attorneys in town, which is one heck of a big compliment.
Well, no, we're not afraid. Now, we don't look for trouble. We try to get through, provide the resolution that our clients are looking for as easily and quickly as possible. But if we have to fight, we will.
And you were also not afraid to tell some prospective clients, look, maybe you need to go to another kind of firm in dealing with your particular case.
Sure, Chip. That's what we do and what we should do. You know, if we can't provide the best for someone that calls us, we're going to try to get them to someone that can, because that's our goal. You know, it's not just getting the client for us, it's getting the client what the client needs.
It is awfully nice to talk with attorneys such as yourself who realize that law is not only a very noble occupation, it's not just a job. What you're doing is a profession, and you are in the profession of helping people out in what conceivably could be one of the most difficult times they've gone through so far.
That's right, Chip. When we see people, they're having problems. They've been injured in an accident. They're having problems within their family. And I can't think of anything more personal and important to people during those times than to get in there and help them.
Stephen Keyt, great talking to you. We got to leave it there. All the best, and we hope you will come back and join us here over the coming weeks. You want to find out more about Stephen and his son? Open since 2019. You can stop by and see them in person. They're in the Talon Financial Center downtown, or the website KeytLawFirm.com. That's Keyt, KeytLawFirm.com.